We'll guide you through how to make and create a custom resolution in the NVIDIA control panel. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This is really useful to do as you can go and completely customize it to your liking. So let's get started. First of all, you can go and open up the control panel. We'll click on search at the bottom and go and type it in. Now it's going to go and open up. And what you need to do is you need to come over to the left into the display section and tap change resolution. Now go and scroll down like so, and you see the option for customize, tap there. Now you can come to the bottom and tap create custom resolution, and now we can get started. So what you can do is go and choose the horizontal pixels and then the vertical lines, and you can go and choose the refresh rate. So for example, I may want a lower refresh rate and I can go and make this 1920 by 1080, but type in what you want. You can adjust the timing settings as well, then go and press test and your monitor is going to display what you've just set it to. And what you can then do is go and press yes if you want to go and keep how it looks, or you can press no and it'll go and stay how it is. If you found this useful, then leave a like for more.